huge now. Yeah, this is the Mad Max Pro X. 72 volts, 70 amp hour, 30,000 watts. All right, it's finally here. Mad Max Pro X. The Megatron version. Probably seen it before on YouTube. It's the nice packaging. 72 volt, 30,000 watt, 70 amp hour battery. We're gonna get this thing out the box and give you guys some updates on it here soon. Packaged in a nice cardboard box.
Wood.
Wood box. It's just easy, yep. Peel that off of it.
He's going straight to the front. Yes. Careful.
There it is. Look at this thing. This thing is a monster.
Insane. Megatron Mad Max.
The unboxing. We're gonna get some good reviews on this. Hello everybody, this Buddy with Electro Rise. We got the Will Mason Mad Max Pro here. We did an unboxing on it. We're gonna take it on the ride just to see how it is. We're gonna do different type of reviews on it, speed tests, hopefully a range test. But this thing is cool. It's dope. We got all the wheels and listers. So yeah, we're gonna take it on a little ride to see how it rides.